Burnout creeps in quietly. What once excited you now feels like a burden. Even simple tasks, like deciding what to eat, become overwhelming. You're not just tired, you're completely drained, unable to recharge. Every ping, every request feels like too much. This isn't laziness or a bad day, it's burnout, a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion. You might feel shame or guilt, but this isn't a character flaw. Burnout is a real, recognized response to prolonged stress. It's time to learn how to refill your empty cup. Burnout isn't just being tired, it's a deeper, lasting exhaustion that rest alone can't fix. Chronic stress keeps your body in fight or flight mode, flooding you with stress hormones. Over time, this wears down your body and mind, disrupting sleep, focus, and immunity. You might get sick more often or feel constant brain fog. Your body is stuck in emergency mode, unable to recover. This is a real physical response, not a weakness. Recognizing burnout as a biological state is the first step to healing. You're not lazy, you're overloaded, and your body is hitting the brakes. Deep inside your brain, in a region that processes emotions, the amygdala acts as an ever-vigilant alarm system, constantly on the lookout, scanning your environment for potential threats, both real and perceived. It's designed to keep you safe. However, chronic stress throws this system off balance, making it hypersensitive, reacting to even minor issues as if they were major emergencies, triggering a cascade of stress hormones. This constant state of alert effectively drowns out your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for logical thinking, rational decision-making, and maintaining a sense of calm. That's why burnout makes it incredibly hard to focus on tasks, decide on even simple things, or effectively regulate your emotions, leading to increased irritability and frustration. Even when you're trying to rest, your mind races with thoughts and worries, unable to switch off the constant stream of mental activity. This isn't a conscious choice you're making. It's your nervous system essentially stuck in the on position, constantly primed for action. The good news is, your brain possesses remarkable plasticity and can heal from the effects of chronic stress. With the right strategies and consistent effort, you can calm the amygdala's alarm and regain a sense of balance and control in your life. Healing from burnout isn't about sheer willpower or forcing yourself to push harder. It's about understanding your brain's needs and consistently giving it what it requires to recover and thrive. Recovery starts with self-acceptance, not a drastic plan. Stop judging yourself for feeling exhausted. Say, "I'm burnt out," and that's okay. This isn't giving up, it's self-compassion. Our culture glorifies busyness, but your well-being isn't negotiable. Burnout is an injury to your nervous system, not a failure. Let go of shoulds and replace them with, "My health is my priority." Accepting burnout is the turning point from self-criticism to self-care. It frees up energy for healing and allows you to rest without guilt. Before you can recover, you must accept where you are, without blame. Your healing starts here. After acceptance, the next step is true rest, not just distraction. Restorative rest means doing nothing. No phone, no TV, no chores. Schedule do-nothing time, even if it's just 10 minutes. Sit, lie down, or stare out the window. Just exist. It may feel uncomfortable, but this is how you signal safety to your nervous system. This is active recovery, not wasted time. In these moments, your body and mind can finally recharge. Start small, 5 or 10 minutes a day. Notice urges to be productive and gently let them go. Guilt-free rest is essential for burnout recovery. Burnout 5. When you're experiencing burnout, it can feel like even the smallest, most straightforward routines demand an immense amount of energy. Everyday tasks that used to be simple now feel like climbing a mountain. Start with a 5-minute anchor, a simple, calming daily ritual. This is about creating a small pocket of peace in your day, a reliable touchstone to ground you. It could be making tea, savoring the warmth and aroma, stretching, gently waking up your body and releasing tension, or sitting outside, feeling the sun on your skin or the breeze in your hair. Whatever grounds you, whatever brings you back to the present moment. The goal isn't productivity. It's not about achieving something grand, but creating a sense of safety and control, reminding yourself that you can still influence your environment and your well-being. Alongside this, try dopamine snacks, tiny, easy tasks that give a quick sense of accomplishment, a little boost of motivation. Examples: make your bed, starting the day with a small victory. Water a plant, nurturing something and seeing it thrive. Send a short text, connecting with someone you care about. These small wins help retrain your brain and rebuild motivation, showing you that you are capable and effective. Keep tasks simple, less than 2 minutes. The point is ease and accessibility. Celebrate each win, no matter how small. Acknowledge your progress and give yourself credit. Stringing together these moments, these small anchors and dopamine snacks, helps you climb out of burnout, step by step, creating a foundation for renewed energy and engagement. Burnout recovery isn't a race against the clock or a competition with others. It's a gentle journey of rediscovering yourself and your needs. It's about finding your own rhythm and pace, allowing yourself the space to heal and grow without pressure. It starts with self-acceptance, acknowledging where you are without judgment, recognizing that you've been through a lot and that it's okay to not be okay. Then prioritizing true rest, not just the absence of work, but restorative activities that replenish your energy and spirit. Think of it as nurturing your body and mind. Add a simple anchor routine, a consistent practice that grounds you each day, providing a sense of stability and calm amidst the chaos. And sprinkle in dopamine snacks for small wins. These are little rewards for completing tasks, no matter how small, that boost your mood and motivation. These aren't rigid rules, set in stone, but flexible tools for healing. Adapt them to your needs, experiment with what works best for you, and don't be afraid to adjust as you go. Some days, just resting is enough, allowing yourself to simply be without any expectations or demands. And that's a victory. Acknowledge that even in stillness, you are making progress. Remember, you're not broken or lazy. You've simply reached your limit. Your body and mind are signaling that it's time to slow down and prioritize your well-being. Recovery is a chance to build, to create a life that supports your well-being and prevents future burnout, a more sustainable, fulfilling life, one that aligns with your values and brings you joy. Be patient and kind to yourself. Healing takes time. It's a process, not an event, so be gentle with yourself along the way. What's one small step you can take today? Maybe just 5 deep breaths, a moment of mindfulness to center yourself. Let's start this path together, knowing that you're not alone in this journey. One gentle step at a time.